So let's say you've started to get lost in your life. You maybe own a business, or you're in a career that you really like, or that you are in a sales position but you enjoy what you do but you really feel like you are stuck. So the next 3 books that I'm quickly going to walk through really is going to go and take you to the next level. So the first book I would really highly recommend that you get is The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. Now this book is amazing. It's going to really turn your life around, because this book talks actually about going out and getting up at 5 AM in the morning and using the 20-20-20 strategy to really go and maximize the productivity you have in your day, and really to set yourself up for success, that there's no way for you to actually be able to go backward or to get stuck, but just to move forward. So I would really recommend picking up this book and reading the 5 AM Club to get your life on track from early in the morning and setting yourself up for major success that you can only move forward with. So the next book I'm going to quickly talk to you about is, let's say you are a business owner, or you maybe have a job, or you are somewhere in your life that you also feel stuck. You are still making good money and you're still moving forward in your career, but you really feel like you are in a small town, or you're living in a city and you just feel trapped by seeing the same people every day. You just feel like you can't go out and be happy anymore because you feel like you're on the rat race and you're just trapped. So the next book I'm going to talk to you about talks about how you can go and really get freedom. Even if you have a boss, how you can go and live abroad and still go and live your dreams out. So the book is The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. So this book really changed my life. It's really amazing. So this book really shows you how to go and live abroad and to be able to work still from anywhere in the world, and even if you have a job somewhere, to be able to still work in that business. So this is a little bit limited. If you're like, let's say, a salesperson that needs to go out and see clients, you're not going to be able to do this maybe. So it depends on what you're doing, but let's say you're a video editor, you're an accountant, or anything that maybe requires an office-based job, you will be able to read this book and go and make the argument to your boss to maybe let you be able to work from abroad. So this book only doesn't just talk about that, but shows you how to make a business that can be managed from abroad, or just to make a business if you just want to work from home maybe. Shows you how to work from any location that you prefer and still make a massive success of your business. And it also talks about time management, and this is really just a good summary book on how to go and transform your life to work from anywhere that you really want. So the next book is one of my personal favorites. It really helped me out in my business when my business especially was starting to slow down. So this book is really for maybe for salespeople, or for people that are in the business world, owning a business, or support owner of a business or something like that. How to take your business where your business is maybe stagnated, is not moving forward anymore, to go and get extra clients, how to refurbish old relationships, and how to go and get your business on the growing track again. So with all this stuff happening that going on now with the coronavirus and everything, a lot of businesses have started to stagnate and it's not growing anymore. This book will really help you to find some strategies to move forward. So the book is If You're Not First, You're Last by Grant Cardone. So this book really is amazing. When I read this book, it really blew me away, and it showed me where I was leaving a lot of money on the table. So this book is also showing you how to use pricing to go out actually and maybe use your products in a different way that you never thought of. That's what I did for my business. As I saw, I did maybe the wrong pricing and stuff, and I didn't price the correct way. It shows you how to do product bundling, where you put some products together to make it a bigger price, and it just shows you how to make more profit with your business. And if you are stuck somewhere, to move forward over that hurdle and get more clients on, and to go and expand your business further. So really go and pick this book up. This book is really important if you are a business owner. You must anyway go and read it. If you're still having a lot of success in your business, make sure you read this book. So we went through my 3 books that I really think everyone should read if they're starting to stagnate a little bit, or they feel like they're getting stuck in their life. As I said, the first book, The 5 AM Club, you must read if you feel you're not going anywhere forward in your life, that you, let's say, that you feel you must make a dramatic change in your life. The second book, The 4-Hour Workweek, if you feel like you're stuck in your office job and you're really in the rat race, go and pick that book up to let you show you how to work from a location independent way. And the next book, If You're Not First, You're Last by Grant Cardone, how to go and actually move your business forward in a time that is hard, where you may be stuck, where you don't get any new clients, and you're really struggling to go and refurbish old relationships and to move your business forward with new clients or with even old clients where you're getting more money from them. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Make sure to go and subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed yet, and give us a thumbs up if you found this content helpful, and hit the bell icon to get videos like this delivered to you every single week.